Is ElevenLabs throwing you an unusual activity detected error, halting your creative flow? Let's get you back on track with this quick troubleshooting guide. First, the obvious but crucial step: check your internet connection. A stable and reliable connection is key for ElevenLabs to function properly. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and try restarting your router if needed. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Accumulated data can sometimes interfere with website functionality. Go to your browser settings, usually found in the top right corner, and look for options like clear browsing data or history. Be sure to select cache and cookies. Are you using a VPN? Well, VPNs can be useful. They can sometimes trigger security protocols on ElevenLabs. Try disabling your VPN temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Still no luck? Try switching to a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can arise with specific browsers. Try Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge to see if the problem persists. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact ElevenLabs support directly. Head to their website and look for a help or support section. Explain the error you're encountering and the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They'll be able to provide more specific assistance. With these tips, you should be back to creating amazing AI-generated voiceovers in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.